Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. This is the December 2022 Umai crate. If you are still in a scramble looking for presents to get for people, if you know some people that are ramen-centric and they really like instant noodles and stuff like that, this is a pretty good choice. You can go to the link that's in the description on the YouTube video or in the post. Click on that, and then when you get there, if you want to send them one of these, don't forget to use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, and you'll get a discount, and you'll be happy, they'll be happy. And all you got to do is print out something and stick it in a card, and you're good. Easy. Anyways, let's crack this open and see what's inside. Okay. So the first thing you'll see when you open up one of these boxes is this pamphlet. And inside there's information about all the different varieties within. So if you can't read Japanese or decipher instant noodle pictograms, this is really handy. Don't lose it. I'm going to go through this and we're going to look at the varieties in the box. Oh yeah, you also get a recipe card. Alright, first off from Knorr, or Knorr, you know, depending on how you'd like to call it. This is their shrimp and spinach cream gratin. And yeah, it's like a shrimp and spinach cream, looks like rotini. I've had a couple of these. There was a clam one that was really, really good. So yeah, worth a try. Pretty decent. Next up, from Kenko Foods, this is their vegetable noodle. Yeah, basically these are done up with 100% vegetable oil. Oil is oil, the way I look at it, but these are pretty good. They kind of have that buttery vegetable flavor, as I remember. That's how a lot of places will do up vegetable flavor. I think it's more like vegetarian. I don't remember, but this one, usually the Kenko stuff is quite good. Next up, we've got one from a company called Toi, T-O-E-I, and this is their mini Japanese style udon. Yeah, it's non-cup. The noodle block that's in here is very much like what you would find in a cup variety. These are all right. Usually heavy on the bonito and a little sweet, but yeah, I don't think I've had this exact one, so we'll see. And I can't remember the name of this brand, but this is a vegan-friendly Sapporo miso ramen. These generally are really good. The noodles are non-fried, and yeah, they have a nice big sachet of soup base, which is liquid. Works really well. Good stuff. Worth it. And next up, we've got some soba from Itsuki. This is one of those that you just boil for not very long and add in the seasoning, and you're done. Goes good with kamaboko, which is fish cake, anything seafood based, and yeah, good one. And now here is something absolutely uniquely Japanese. This is butter scallop oatmeal, and I've never had anything like that before. I was gonna make it the last time, and I forgot to, and it expired, and that was a while back. But yeah, 85 calories for the whole thing. Scallop, butter, oatmeal. Yeah, I gotta try this. So if you can see the little guy in the corner, that guy's name is Michiko Kawamura. This is a miso kimchi ramen. This guy does a radio show about healthy foods, natural foods, and this stuff generally is pretty good. So yeah, I like this one. And here's one from Marushan. This is kitsune udon. Kitsune means fox in Japanese, and the kitsune here means fried tofu that's really sweet, kind of like a leathery, funky tongue, but it's really good. It's really, really good. I know that description doesn't really do it justice. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, it's a big piece of tofu that steeps with the noodles when you cook them in the bowl, and yeah, kind of a slightly sweet, salty, savory broth, and yeah, this one really is quite good. And finally, we come to our bonus item. This is a package of natural miso soup with spinach. If you've ever gone out for Japanese food, often you'll get a little bowl of miso. Korean food, sometimes the same way. Yeah, and this one has spinach with it. That's a bonus. So these usually are really good, and this is going to be a lot of it too. It probably has a lot of tofu with it and all that. So yeah, cool. Alright, so in this, the December 2022 Umai crate, you get udon, oatmeal of the sea, vegetable ramen, gratin, soba, miso, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Umai Crate for sending this over. Yeah, I think I've been showing you guys these boxes for 4 years now, and yeah, they're always really neat. A lot of good stuff. If you're really interested in instant noodles and Japanese stuff, good one to get. And if you want to get one of these, check out the link in the description or in the post when it comes out. And don't forget to use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.